All right, it just said come over here on the Ghost Tube app. He already activated while I was trying to draw this. I was having trouble, and he activated yet again that one. Did you want to show me something again? I was just in the middle of trying to draw, do this. Again, I'm not the best drawer when it comes to doodling, but can you perhaps tell me through the Ghost Tube app what I just drew, or maybe what helps make it move? Can you maybe tell me? I mean, you could try to move it, but I know it's very difficult to do in a room where I have no windows open. But I know that people want to believe that the spirits were actually moving the pinwheels. Maybe you can totally confirm that with you moving it. It doesn't have to be a spin, you just have to move it. I don't need to have you activate that. I know you could do that. You confirmed it multiple times. So I'm wondering, could a spirit move a pinwheel in a room with no windows open? And no, the fan is not on. So just a slight movement, maybe make the firmware, okay. Make it shift a
Bring it to me.
Bring it to me? Well, I mean, it's right there. Unless you mean this. Like, I'm not even sure which way to go. Okay.
I'm right here.
Okay. I'm not sure which right here, but I'm filming you, I'm assuming. You're somewhere here. So you're trying to activate the pinwheel by touching it a little bit? Because again, I've never seen any spirit move it in no wind situation. It's usually kind of breezy, and it was outside, but physically inside, I've never seen it. Then again, I never tested it out until now. So again, I drew this lovely, weird looking pinwheel. And then as I was drawing it, I was on the fourth pedal, screwing up, unfortunately. He activated the ball, and I'm like, well, thank you. You didn't have to, but thank you. And then I'm like, I'm almost done with the pinwheel. And yeah, so if he actually is able to do that, move the pinwheel, that'll just be a more shocking moment in my books. So I don't know how you do it though. I'm not sure. I mean, again, I know that the balls, you can, when you tap it, it turns on lights, but...
Priest.
Priest? I need to have a priest to help you? Or is that just something random? So again, he can drain energy from that light, the light here, the one behind me, this device, maybe the one I'm recording on, if he needs to help move that. I can just give you a quick demonstration. You know, I think that's how you do it. I don't know, with your spiritual hand, I don't know. So if you're able to do that, that'd be quite amazing. Is that possible, Sean? Can you confirm that with the EMF to yellow if that's something possible besides the cat ball to let us know you're here? And if it's difficult, can you maybe go to orange? Or just activate a cat ball again, and then I'll just be like, okay, he can't do it. It's too much. Well, So are you saying sort of? You might be able to? You're going to try? Is that what you're trying to say? You're going to try? Again, I've never had this happen where a spirit moved it without wind. So if you're able to move it even just an inch, that'll just be like, wow. I mean, I'm not making you spin the whole thing. Again, I drew some tacky looking pinwheel. He can maybe say something regarding that on the...
Nobody understands.
Oh, nobody knows how it works, but it does somehow? Okay, because I was just going to say a lot of people had interactions with pinwheels, and they would spin on cue as if they were speaking to a spirit. Were they really speaking to a spirit during that time when it moved? For those, at the grave sites? Do you think that was them coming through to let their family members know that that's them? I mean, I'm assuming, at the grave sites, I'm assuming that if you were at the cemetery, if that happened, no? I'm talking too much, aren't I? Quiet down, Nicole. So again, if he is able to use his energy to move that pinwheel, that'll be the most shocking moment in my life too, on top of cat balls. Because I want people to know that spirits are truly real. Ghosts or spirits, whatever you want to call them, are indeed real. Because I cannot explain how the cat ball goes off on cue when I show a picture of cat and a ball, and then bam, it lights up. And I'm not even near it. I didn't touch it. You can clearly hear that I was not near it. And yes, I can activate forgiveness. I can activate it if I did physically touch it, or maybe not. Maybe not. Okay. See, again, not me. So, yeah, I mean, I'm trying to get everything in the view. And I don't know, maybe it is difficult to move a pinwheel. Does it require a lot of energy maybe to do the pinwheel without the wind? If it's too difficult, let me know by maybe hitting the yellow on the EMF meter, or orange if you're still trying. Or he's trying to do it right now. That's why he's not doing anything on the EMF meter. So every time it goes quiet on the EMF meter, I feel like he's trying to do something with energy, like the lights. I'm hoping he's snagging from the lights. I think he is trying to do it. All right. Sean, the amazing Silva. If you move that pinwheel.
Water.
Water. Water? Maybe he needs water to maybe activate that. Not activate it, to help move it. So I brought the water towards you. Would that help?
Can you hear him?
Damn, I don't have the ability yet. I'm listening, but I'm not sure what I'm hearing other than the cat snoring. But if you're saying something, Well, since I'm not able to hear you, maybe you can make a knock. Like a definite loud knock or something.
Tiffany.
Tiffany again? Wait, did you date a Tiffany? Do you know a Tiffany? Are you trying to send a message to Tiffany? Sean, Tiffany came at twice. Do you know a Tiffany? Or is this Tiffany Lorraine? Sorry, I was speaking when I was mentioning it. So again, do you know a Tiffany? Can you go to the yellow if you know a Tiffany? Or is this for Tiffany Lorraine? It's for Tiffany Lorraine. Wait, is she doing a session right now? John? Is this her dad, John? Tiffany, your dad's trying to come through. For Tiffany Lorraine. To confirm, this is John Moore? If so, can you activate the EMF meter again? Is this John Moore? Her dad. Is that who's trying to say Tiffany twice? Maybe you could activate the cat ball. So if this is John Moore, who is Tiffany Lorraine's dad, who has passed away, either activate the cat ball or maybe move the pinwheel. Okay, Sean may have stepped away for you. Tiffany, this is for you. I did not know this was actually, regarding you, but apparently it is. Your dad's coming through to me. So he's having a session with me right now, right? This is John. I did help you, by the way. In a little bit, I kind of helped you with Find a Grave, your page. Do you remember? Yeah. And she had a session with you. Was that you activating the REM pod? During the birthday? I think it was your birthday. Remember the crown? Do you remember that crown she brought on that session? If so, can you activate the EMF to yellow if you remember? Okay. Wow, I didn't know I can get different spirits from my YouTubers that I watch. So Dorothy was coming through then. That was Sifan's grandma. Tiffany Lorraine, I got your dad. Somehow he confirmed twice that he wanted to talk to you. Is there any message you want to send to your daughter, Tiffany? I'm a little shaky, I do apologize. Or maybe you want to activate the cat ball for her to let her know that you're here?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Tiffany Lorraine, does that have anything or any meaning? Anti-clockwise. You mean the pinwheel? Sorry. Are you referring to the pinwheel spinning anti-clockwise? Which means that way? Yeah? Okay.
I was hurt.
I was hurt? Well, this could be both. Could be either John Moore or Sean. So can we confirm that we're still talking to John Moore, Tiffany's Lorraine dad? If that's truly Tiffany Lorraine's dad that came through with Tiffany popping up on the ghost tube, can you please activate? Never mind, you already did it. I was gonna say too yellow. I don't know if she ever showed you about cat balls. Maybe I can show you. Sean's done it. So basically what you do is you get energy from my light source up here, or the lamps, or this device, and that way you do with your spiritual little handies, I guess. You just kind of tap it, and then it lights up. It lets us know that you're physically here. I'm gonna put my water away. And then for the pinwheel, oh my God, Tiffany, he just activated the ball for you. I had to show him. That's all I had to do is show it to him. That was you and not me, right? Yeah, that was him. That's him again. Tiffany, I hope you watch this. I'm like trying not to get overwhelmed again. So, to John Moore, thank you. Wow, it's really long. Oh, I hope she watches this right away. I'm gonna tag her, okay? Can you stop the cat ball? Can you maybe stop the cat ball? I'm not even near it, people. Okay, I'm just, wow. Were you holding it? Can you justify? Yeah, you were holding it. Oh my God, she misses you. I hope you know that. Yeah, and she does exactly what I do. She communicates with the spirits. Do you like what she does? Can you go to red if you like what she does? Or orange? Do you like what she has chosen to do with her time off from work? Okay, if you could spin the pinwheel, that's awesome too. Again, I'm going to put John Moore in the center of the stage. Thank you, Sean. That was me, by the way. Oh no, my pinwheel! That was me. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Stupid, silly me. Okay, I do apologize. So basically, we're no longer in the, sorry, I don't mean to. We're no longer speaking to Sean. We're now speaking to John Moore, Tiffany Lorraine's dad. And he activated the cat ball after I apparently had to show him how, which I didn't know. I thought he knew, but yeah. Wow. Again, if Tiffany Lorraine's dad, John Moore, is still here, EMF meter to yellow. Or pinwheel, anti-clockwise. Maybe he could also be trying to gain more energy. I don't know. Oh, by the way, can you please not use the battery from the EMF meter? I already had to change it once, and it's pain. Again, lights, iPad, you can use those devices to gain energy. Or me, I'm very hyped up. So, I was in this session with Sean. Tiffany came up twice. Basically, the session with the short, where Sean activated the cat ball. Wait, was that Sean or was that you? If it was Sean, go to green. If it was you, go to yellow. During that video earlier. So it was you? Huh. Okay. Are you sure? Huh. Okay. Wow. So I have two spirits here now. I have Sean and John Moore. Again, I was trying to draw the pinwheel. He activated the cat ball while I was drawing. So that was you, right? So again, when I was drawing this, that was you, John. Okay. So the session with Sean, the session that I was having with Sean that was less than 3 minutes. Bad? Whew. The session that I had with Sean with less than 3 minutes of a video, when I did the thing where I showed the cat ball, or well, the cat and the ball picture, and it activated, that was Sean? Can you go to yellow if that was Sean that did that one? He's like, who's Sean? Or was that you? If it was Sean, blink green. During that quick video I did. Wash. Okay, maybe I won't include that.